the dresser was all clean and dried, it was time to start repairing this dresser. I took out my All-Purpose Bondo Putty. I prefer to use all-purpose rather than the wood fill Bondo. I find that it works exactly the same. However, it is a little less expensive than the wood Bondo Putty. And I find there is no difference in, once you mix it up in the repairs, it makes no difference at all. So I just take a golf ball size of Bondo and then I add in the hardener. Once a little hardener is added, probably about a pea-sized amount of hardener, I just mix it up really well. In this case, the hardener's blue, so I just want to make sure that the Bondo all gets tinted with the blue hue. And once it's ready to go, I started filling in the holes that the old mirror was attached to. And then I moved on to the drawers and started filling in all the hardware holes there and just working around the dresser, filling in the scratches, etc. With the Bondo, I only mix a small amount at a time because Bondo dries super fast and super hard, which is fabulous. I mean, this is the reason why I love working with it. But you don't want to mix up a large batch because it will go hard on you before you actually fill in all the hardware holes. So I just mix it up in smaller batches. It's super easy and fast to do. This ensures that the Bondo stays nice and creamy and easy to work with. A little quick tip when I'm filling hardware holes or any sort of holes with the Bondo, I don't worry about an excess going beneath the dresser. In this case, it was the mirror holes and it kind of squeezed out in the hole underneath. I just go in and I use my putty knife and I just scrape it right off. Or once it's dry, you can just take a putty knife and a hammer and it'll just knock right off.